morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is when you're watching this. As you can see, this year I dressed up as Russell, the Wilderness Explorer from the movie Up, and I got a lot of compliments from it, so I thought I would share how I made this. It was super cute, super easy. Well, not super easy, it was pretty easy to make, and it costed me less than $40. So I pretty much bought everything from scratch, but I'm sure that you might have some of these things at home, so it might cost less than $40. Okay, let's get started. First, you'll need a yellow shirt or polo. This one was from Michael's, and some brown or khaki shorts. I got these secondhand off of Poshmark. Next, you'll need an orange bandana. I got mine from Hobby Lobby, and a big piece of brown felt for your sash. Next is a dowel or stick for your flag, and also a thick piece of orange felt for your flag. For your badges, you're going to use a big piece of thick white felt. These are 12 inches by 18 inches, and some iron-on transfer paper. Now we're going to hop into a word processor and insert pictures of Wilderness Explorer badges. I will put a link in the description of these badges and also the Wilderness Explorer logo. So once you have all your badges on the page, you're gonna decrease the margins and make your badges about 1 inch in diameter. And after that, you're gonna have to flip your badges horizontally so that it'll transfer onto the felt in the right orientation. So you go to picture format and press that triangle and flip horizontal. And after that, we're gonna add in the Wilderness Explorer logos. These can be printed on regular paper, so we're not gonna flip them. You're gonna need 2 for your flag, 1 to put on your shirt, and if you want to do the hat, then you'll need 4. But if not, then you'll only need 3. So now we're gonna work on the flag. So you're gonna fold your orange felt in half 2 times. Make sure you crease it really well, or else the crease is just gonna come out. Once you crease it, you're gonna mark off the center points, and you're gonna measure how big you want your flag to be. So I am measuring 4 inches on each side of the center. And then I'm connecting the dots. After you connect the dots, cut your flag out. This might take a while. And then put your dowel in your felt and hot glue it all together. Okay. So now you're gonna print out your little logos, cut them out, and glue it onto your flag. And there you have it. And now for the sash. So you're gonna spread out your big piece of felt and measure, I think I did 6 inches, but I wish I made it smaller. But with this, you're gonna cut out 2 pieces of felt, 6 inches each. This is also gonna take a while. But after that, you glue them together and you're gonna fold them inside out. Now, if you try on the sash and it's too big, it's no big deal. You can always cut it and then glue it back together, which is what I'm doing right here. Now for the badges, you're going to take your white felt, your iron-on transfer paper, and an iron, and just follow the instructions
which say to press down hard on the paper and go really slowly for about 90 to 120 seconds. Once you've done that, let it cool completely. Here I am studying for a quiz while I let it cool. Once it's cooled down, all you have to do is peel off the backing. Now this actually took a good amount of time. I thought I had messed up several times, but you just have to be patient and be careful and go slow. Alright, finally I got the backing off, and I'm gonna cut out every single badge, and it'll look something like this. Once you've cut out every single badge, I placed them onto the sash so that I would know how much space I would need in between each one. And after that, all you have to do is glue them all onto the sash. And this is the finished product. I am so happy with how it turned out. And now for some finishing touches. I'm just gonna tie my bandana together with a hair tie and tape my last logo onto my shirt. And there you have it, the Russell from Up Wilderness Explorer costume. Thank you so much for watching. Now let's take a look at the whole costume together.
That's about it.